Okay guys, I'm back in Michigan, my Morrison Malcenas Customs, working on Tithonus. Showed you earlier carburetor coils, spark plugs, and valve covers were off. I adjusted the valves again, cleaned up the contacts on the coils and reset the air gap, pulled the carburetor apart and cleaned it. I'm hoping this will do it. This is the first start on this since I just finished putting everything back on it. I don't know what it's going to do, how it's going to sound, or what's going to happen, so here we go. That already sounds 100% better. Let me button up and we'll do a video.